Alright y'all, so I'm finna get my hair did. Thank you to Unice Hair for sending me this hair. It's a red 24-inch frontal. So they had sent me a little bag and it came with a wig cap, a little bonnet, a little makeup brush. It's soft. And some lashes. Let me show y'all. So we finna get this hair braided down, and then I'll probably do that fast motion. Then I'm gonna show y'all. Probably gonna do like a middle part bust down. But I don't know. Y'all comment down below what style y'all want me to do next. But we finna get into this install. Here go the hair, y'all. So basically the lace is a little dark. So we're gonna have to see how that's gonna work. Yeah. The hair's soft and all, but the lace is a little dark for my skin tone. So we finna see how it go, how it look, how it is. Yeah.
Yeah.
Work, 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 work. To me, I feel work, 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 work. See me do me dirt, 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 dirt. So me by that work, 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 work. When you walk a line, 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 line. In the cafe, man, ta, 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 ta. Try me, I deserve it. Nothing to have you lurking.
Yeah.
You make a like, now you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the righteous. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work, 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 work. To me, I be work, 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 work. You see me do me dirt, 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 dirt. So me by that work, 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 work. Da, 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 da. When you walk out, da, 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 da. Before the table turn, 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 turn. Beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the streets. If I get another chance to, I will never, no, never neglect you. I mean, who am I to hold your best against you? I just hope that it gets to you. I hope that you see this through. I hope that you see this true. What can I say? Please recognize I'm trying, baby. I feel why. It's me, I feel why. You see me do my da 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 da. So me by that why. When you walk out, la 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 la. When the car from my ta.
Yeah, okay, you need to get done. Let the work come over. We just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of way to no one. Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done. If you come over. Sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got niggas tryna end me. Oh, yeah. I spilled all my emotions tonight. I'm sorry. Rolling. How many more shots until you're rolling? We just need a face to face. You can pick the time and the place. You will spend some time away. Now you need to forward and give me all the work.
You see me, I feel work. You see me do my da 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 da. So me by that work. When you walk out, la. When the car from my ta.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on his head, my niggas owe me. I gotta be single for a while, you can't control me. Uno, those traits in a race, they can't hold me. And I show my face in the case, so you know it's me. Imitation isn't flattery, it's just annoying me. And I'm too about it. And the dirt that they threw on my name turned to soil, and I grew about it. Time for y'all to figure out what y'all gon' do about it. Big wheels keep rolling. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sounds like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside, front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. Look, don't invite me over if you throw another pretty party. hard to tell you where I started. I don't know who love me, but I know that it ain't everybody. I can never love her, she a busybody. Baby, if you want me, can't be turning up with everybody. Nah, can't be fucking on this anybody. Yeah, I got feelings for you, that's the thing about it. Yeah, you know that it's something when I sing about it. Yeah, mama used to be on disability, but gave me this ability. And now she walking with her head high and her back straight. I don't think you feeling me, I'm out here being everything they said I wouldn't be, it couldn't be. I don't know what happened to them guys that said they would be. I said, see you at the top and they misunderstood me. I hold no resentment in my heart, that's that maturity. And we don't keep it on us anymore, it's with security. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sounds like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, then I'm still here outside. Front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sounds like a fair trade to me.
Rolling 80 wheels and it'll save you. Riding you. Gotta roll OT, gotta give her release. Spread your legs downtown, so I'm going out to eat. Hit the raw sounds when I rock, I'll be asleep. I'ma roll on her forever, let her roll on me. Split this one down the middle, wake up in harmony.
A claps.
Don't close your eyes to get away. Just bang my line and I'll arrange it. Beautiful girl, you're stainless. You'll be fine, I'll be painless. Yeah. All I'm drinking is champagne. All you want is the same thing.
Yeah. The 10,000 building, get your ass an apartment, put you inside a G-class, that's just a starter kit. Plenty things count in life, but none of them is the thought of it. New piece around my neck, this chess games, cause shorty stay with calculated moves like Beth.
That's gonna be the end of the video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Make sure if you did, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Give this video a thumbs up if you love your mama. Give this video a thumbs up if you love your daddy. Give this video a thumbs up if you love God. Like but yeah, y'all comment down below what colors y'all want me to try next, because y'all know I be getting sent the wigs. So y'all be commenting down below and let me know like what color y'all want to see me in. I got like 4 different wigs lined up next. I like the hair. It's soft. It flat irons really easily, and it's real cute though. The only thing I will say is that lace is too dark, baby. Y'all need to tone it down a bit. But I like the hair. It's real soft. It's cute. Not any shedding. So yeah, if y'all want this hair, make sure you look in the description box. All links will be below for this hair. Like I said, Unice Hair sent me this hair. So if y'all want to get this hair, make sure you click the link in the description box. And I'm going to see y'all in the next video.